So I drove into Indianapolis. I work from home these days. I don't come downtown all that much, but I wanted to come down because it's Saturday, right? And so in downtown Indianapolis, oh, watch. I'm going to get the green light here. Watch this. Here's the green light. And great, it's time to go. Well, wait just a second there. Not everybody's ready. But anyway, was headed toward this section of White River called Flat Rock, next to Colt Stadium there. I want to do a thing maybe sometime called the Bridges of Marion County. Ah, they're beautiful. This section of the river is gorgeous. I'm going to duck down here a little bit so I don't crash into any of this stuff. But get under here. In this section of the river, over there to the left is the former GM stamping plant we visited last week. It's on the other side of Riverside Drive there, but just coming up the river. This is just a gorgeous section, even on an overcast, kind of not great looking day. Meanwhile, on Monument Circle, still a lot of plywood up. And if you haven't been down this way for a while, you might be a little surprised. Be interesting to see where all this leads. Meanwhile, on American Legion Mall, pretty quiet on a Saturday morning. There's the Marion County Public Library up there. Let's turn around and head back toward the obelisk and the center of town. And again, not a great day, but any day's good when you got a day off work and a chance to see a beautiful city